Hello guys, second day na namin ng SWAT. Yun ang mga matitigas na SWAT ng kuya po. Yung classmate ko pa uli-uli, aga-agang gumising. Yun, yung mga SWAT ng kuya po. Diba? Medyo umaambon pa. So, ano muna kami ngayon guys? Tawag na ito, lecture muna bago sa proper training, bago pumunta kami sa Tyro, sa may San Simon. Lecture muna kami. So guys, papunta kami ngayon doon sa may Makatao Gym. Let's go. So guys, dito na kami sa venue. Ayun, hinihintay na lang namin yung mga instructor. Ay, mga classmate ko magigilas. Yun. And ayun, so magkaklase muna kami. Ayun, yung mga tiga kuya po, mga magigilas na tiga kuya po. Ayun guys, yung mga classmate ko sa SWAT. Yun ito yung isa kong classmate na senior dito. Pumapakita ka naman. Ayan diba, classmate ko yun from Aurora. Yun Batang Aurora. Totoo ba yan? Batang treasure. Ingat yaman. So, yun lang guys, mamaya ulit. Hello guys, good morning. So, ito na ang aming proper uniform for today. Ayun, yung mga magigilas kong mga kasama. Yun Paring ko ayaw isuot na hiya pa. So ayun, ando si Kabato, June 10. So papunta na kami ngayon sa venue na formation guys. Let's go, update namin kayo mamaya. So guys, ayun na nga, naka-form na kami dyan. At isa-isa po kaming mga chine-check ng aming instructor, upang sa ganun naman ay maiayos at maitama naman yung mga aming mga equipment na dala-dala, like yung mga vest, tapos yung mga lumalaylay ay minamali niya at itinatama lahat ng mga nakalagay sa aming katawan, upang sa ganun ay maiwasan namin yung mga aksidente na mangyari sa amin during SWAT training. So ayun guys, isa-isa po yan niya kanyang chine-check. So ayan, kung may tama or mali. So pinagsasabihan naman kami bago kami mag-umpisa sa proper training na isasagawa ng Region 3. So guys, good morning. So ayan, second, ano na ba to? Pang 5th day. Pang 5 days na po namin. Ay si pare ko, ano masasabi mo sa pang 5 araw natin?
Sira yung shades ko.
Sira yung shades mo? Ay, ba't nilaglag mo? Nasira daw yung shades niya. So yun lang guys. So pang 5 araw na po namin sa SWAT. And good luck po sa amin, sana makasurvive. Pero makakasurvive yan, kalalakas pa naman ng mga bata kuya po You know. So let's go. Kaya pa.
Ayun, sir.
Mga batang kuya po. Pero pa.
Ba't nandiyan ka?
Yun pagod na. Pabilis mo naman.
Finally at last, we put the numbers up, they don't lie, do the math. It all adds up to this moment in a flash. My name carries weight and my respect's unmatched, and I got the whole city tatted on my back. We live by will over skill, and that's facts. Yeah. From the pavement I pave my way, just like a beast broke loose out of a cage. I have no feelings, I'm unafraid. You wanna see how legend is made? Watch. Legend. legendary. It's legendary. I can't be back against the wall when the walls don't exist. The gloves came off, now I'm wrapped my fist. I'm beating on my chest like whose world is this? I was raised for all these accolades, but the journey to the top I never trade. Something takes me over and I'm amazed. You wanna see how a legend is made? Come on. Legend. Legend. It's legendary. Legend. Ain't nobody stopping me. I'm legendary. I come ready. I could never be shook, so hold steady. I'm down for whatever's necessary. Watch me. Watch me. I'm legendary. Last standing. Who will be the one? Who will be the one last standing? Who will be the one? Who will be the one last standing? Who's the champion? Who will be the one last standing? Legend. 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 Ain't nobody stopping me. Legend. Ain't nobody stopping me. I come ready. I could never be shook, so hold steady. I'm down for whatever's necessary. I come ready. I could never be shook, so hold steady. I'm down for whatever's necessary. Watch me, yeah. Legendary. Yeah, I'm always on the move. If you get in my way, you'll catch a 1 and 2. Got a clear view, penthouse vision mood. To the top, I'm gon' pop, you gon' see me soon.